Breaking news, Nigerians. Nigerian Secret Police DSS cracked down on Take It Back movements, orders UBA to freeze account over planned protest. Really? The United Bank for Africa (UBA) has frozen the account of human rights organization Take It Back movement over its call for end bad governance in Nigeria protest. According to TIB movement, its account was frozen on the instructions of Nigerian Secret Police Department of State Service, also known as State Security Service. The organization has vowed to take legal action against UBA for the unlawful action if the account is not unfrozen within 24 hours. It has now come to our attention that UBA Group has frozen our account on the instructions of the DSS over our involvement in the forthcoming protest. We describe this action as lawless and demand our account to be unfrozen immediately within the next 24 hours, without which a legal action will be instructed against UBA Group, he said in a post on his X handle on Friday. Reacting to the news, Revolution Now convener Omoyele Shuari, who has also been championing the protest, described the DSS as lawless. He posted on his X account, "Lawless official DSS Nigeria will learn a hard lesson soon," and UBA Group Tony Elumelu for this act of cowardness and conspiracy. The people of Nigeria that you are letting down at this critical moment in the history will let you down soon. 2 days of range. Sahara reporters reported earlier on Friday that organizers of the planned nationwide Days of Range and End Bad Governance in Nigeria protest had written to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Nyesom Wike, requesting the release of Eagle Square between August 1st and 10th, 2024 for the peaceful demonstration. In a letter signed by Damilora Adenola, the Director of Mobilization for TIB Movement in Abuja, the protesters demanded unrestricted access to the venue 24/7 throughout the duration of the protest, and possibly even after it concludes. The letter read in part: "I write you as the Director of Mobilization Take It Back Movement (TIB) to your office to grant us access to the Eagle Square between August 1st and 10th, 2024 for our Days of Range. This request entails using this National Asset Day and night for the duration of the historic protest. Also note that the protest may be prolonged beyond 10 days as we embark on the protracted crisis occasioned by the ruling party. Further, your office must also ensure the provision of a 24-hour power supply, toilets, facilities, water, and security for the convenience of Nigerian citizens who will be camped out at Eagle Square." Nigerians, so is it how these people will solve the problem? Going after protesters? But it's too late. No going back. You understand? The government don't know. So they can't stop what they don't know. These are reactions from Nigerians. This will end Nigerians. So this is unacceptable. The DSS crackdown on the Take It Back movement and the freezing of their account is a clear violation of their right to freedom of assembly and expression. As a citizen of Nigeria, I condemn this authoritarian move by the DSS. It is a desperate attempt to silence the dissenting voices and stiff the growing demand for good governance. The Take It Back movement is a peaceful movement advocating for the betterment of our country. They have every right to protest and express their grievances. Instead of listening to their demands, the government is trying to intimidate and silence them. I stand in solidarity with the Take It Back movement and demand that the DSS immediately unfroze the accounts and respect their rights. We will not be silent. Well, there is nothing on this hell does not have beginning or ending. One day, the end of this DSS intimidation in Nigeria will end. It's just too much. The intimidation on Nigerians, from this DSS is getting out of hand. Why will you froze their accounts? Because they are demanding for good governance. Are we in a military regime? Even in the military regime, they allow people to protest. You understand? Why are you intimidating people? This is bad. Then, the UBA that did this, you have to watch your back. Before Nigerians will start withdrawing all their accounts from your bank. I don't think this is nice at all for you to do. There are things someone come to tell you, you go question them. Why do I have to do this? Nobody they buy anybody. Allow people to demonstrate, to exercise their constitutional rights, which the president of this government, enjoyed before he became Nigerian's president. So guys, I don't hear the matter now. Matter just dey come out left, right, and side, gbas. This is not going to be easy, I assure you. Abeg, what's your take on this? Share your thought below the comment section. Like us, drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, let it go viral. Make Nigerians understand how the government they treat Nigerians as well. Thank you.